Guys, welcome back to the workshop. I'm Ben, licensed assistant with Coldwell banker Siewert Realtors. Carrie, Nikolai is my agent. And today, we're the day in the workshop. A wonderful snowy winter day here in February. And you know what, with the snow falling down, I couldn't think of a better thing to do than to spend a little time in the workshop. We're going to be making a couple of easy outdoor projects. Now, I paid for these plans and I'll link down below. The YouTuber that created these has a wonderfully detailed video, so go and check out his page. It's really good stuff. So there are a couple of things that Carrie and I are looking forward to in this coming summer. One of them is getting out in the garden and doing gardening things. Another is actually sitting by the fire and enjoying some drinks in company of friends. So we're going to plan for that. We got a big pile of lumber over my shoulder. Went over to Haas Building Supply and they delivered 42 planks of timber. It's Douglas fir and it's going to be great for our outdoor projects. We wanted to do cedar, but cedar is so expensive. And if these last a few years, well, then in a few years I get to rebuild the projects all over again. We're okay with that. Things we didn't do is we didn't get pressure treated lumber because a lot of this material is going to be for our gardening, and we wanted some wood that wouldn't, even have the possibility of leaching those toxins out. So this is good kiln dried Doug fir, and it's going to be great for our projects. So now, of course, shop safety is extremely important. So make sure you take into consideration all of those safety tips that you've heard around. I am not a professional master carpenter at all, but I've got some skill, we've got some tools, we've got really good plans. So let's dig into this and see if we can build some outdoor furniture.